at Pacific Coliseum to join a concert to be done by Angelo. Daming tao, hindi ba? It's cold, it's raining.
Ay makakasama na lamang on stage si Teacher Sherwin of Jesus! At Teacher Yeda!
Teacher Yeda also.
Lovely!
Kapamilya! Kamusta na ang lahat dito sa Pacific Coliseum? Grabe ang ganda
in culture. Together, we rise from the toughest floors. We ride the biggest. We welcome you to the brightest, the best Filipino concert party. I believe. Amelia leading man, Joshua Garcia. This is your
pare, kung hindi, tayo dalawa yan. Ay! Ay!
Nag-wet!
Nakita mo yun, It's of all time we give you.
Let's all give a big hand for Ann
I think ang challenge po, Miss Rich, hindi kayo mahawa sa akin. Bakit ka mahawa? Mahahawa ko.
I love you, Ogie!
Galing. Ready na kayo? Everybody na?
Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito ang pangarap ko.
Thank you very much, Pacific Coliseum! Thank you so much for singing with us. Maraming salamat din sa nagbigay sa akin ng Chanel bag. At mula sa aming mga hits, heto naman ang bagong seryeng siguradong mag-hit sa marami ang pinakabagong serye ng People's Superstars and Power Tandem ng Kim Pao, Kim Chiu, and Carlo Menino. Kung ano ito, let's go watch this!
For all of you, Grandma, let's all welcome the Outstanding Asian Star at 2025 Soul Drama Awards, the Supremo ng Prime Time,
Come on, everyone. Phenomenal box office superstar Vice Ganda! Are you ready to be entertained? I love you too. Ay, guwapo ng I love you sa akin. Kipit ka ngayon? Tura nga rin ang babae. Talaga lagi nang aasar. Nakaganon.
congrats!
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. Yay! Blue ka pa kumakakita ng mga avatar. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat Madlang people po dito sa Canada. Give yourself a big hand to Chumong.
It's alright.
At kahit na naman ang mangyari, tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang Pasko!
Everybody, Merry Christmas!
Rain or shine. Woo! Okay, it's done. Gonna go home, it's done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.